Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's lesson is very special. We will practice English with questions and answers.
Yes, this is perfect for beginners. You will listen, think, and speak with us.
We will go step by step. First, you listen, then we discuss, then you listen again.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly. You are learning, you are improving already.
Before we start, don't forget to follow or subscribe so you don't miss new lessons.
All right, let's begin.
Let's start with a simple question. Listen carefully.
What time do you wake up?
Listen again.
What time do you wake up?
Now, think about your answer.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Simple and clear.
Let's repeat together. I wake up at 7 a.m.
You can change the time. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 8 a.m.
Good job. Now another question.
What do you do in the morning?
Listen again.
What do you do in the morning?
My answer is, I brush my teeth and drink water.
Nice. My answer, I drink tea and check my phone.
Let's repeat one example. I brush my teeth.
Very good. Short and easy.
Now you try. Say one thing you do in the morning.
That's great practice.
Next question.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Listen again.
What do you eat for breakfast?
My answer is, I eat a banana.
Simple and real. My answer, I eat bread and eggs.
Repeat with us. I eat a banana.
Here are more examples. I eat rice. I eat toast. I drink milk.
Good job. Keep it simple.
Now another question.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
Listen again.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
My answer, I drink tea.
My answer, I drink coffee.
Repeat. I drink tea. I drink coffee.
You're doing great.
Now let's talk about your day.
Question. What do you do during the day?
Listen again.
What do you do during the day?
My answer, I work and study.
My answer, I go to work.
Repeat. I work. I study.
Very good.
Next question.
Do you work or study?
Listen again.
Do you work or study?
My answer, I study.
My answer, I work.
Repeat. I work. I study.
Short answers are okay. Don't worry about long sentences.
Yes, small steps are powerful.
Now let's talk about free time.
Question. What do you do in your free time?
Listen again.
What do you do in your free time?
My answer is, I watch videos.
My answer, I listen to music.
Repeat. I watch videos.
I listen to music.
More examples. I play games. I read books.
Good job. Next question.
Do you watch TV?
Listen again.
Do you watch TV?
My answer, yes, I watch TV.
My answer, no, I don't watch TV.
Repeat. Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Great. You're learning fast.
Now, let's practice a short conversation.
Listen carefully.
Hi, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat a banana.
Nice.
Now, listen again.
Hi, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat a banana.
Now you try. Pause and repeat. You can do it.
Let's continue.
Question. What do you do in the evening?
Listen again.
What do you do in the evening?
My answer, I relax and watch TV.
My answer, I eat dinner and sleep.
Repeat. I relax. I eat dinner.
Good job.
Next question.
What time do you go to bed?
Listen again.
What time do you go to bed?
My answer, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
My answer, I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Repeat. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Topic 7. Shopping.
Let's start with a new topic.
Shopping.
Listen to the question.
What do you buy at the market?
Listen again.
What do you buy at the market?
My answer, I buy fruits and vegetables.
My answer, I buy milk and bread.
Repeat. I buy fruits.
I buy vegetables.
Good. Keep it simple. Next question.
Do you like shopping?
Listen again.
Do you like shopping?
My answer. Yes, I like shopping.
My answer. No, I don't like shopping.
Repeat. Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Great job. One more.
Where do you shop?
Listen again.
Where do you shop?
My answer. I shop at the market.
My answer. I shop at a small store.
Repeat. I shop at the market.
Nice and easy.
Topic 8. Friends.
Now let's talk about friends.
Question. Do you have friends? Listen again. Do you have friends? My answer. Yes, I have many friends.
My answer. Yes, I have a few friends.
Repeat. I have friends.
Good.
Next question.
Who is your best friend?
Listen again.
Who is your best friend?
My answer. My best friend is Anna.
My answer is my best friend is John.
Repeat. My best friend is blank.
Say your friend's name.
That's great practice. Next question.
What do you do with your friends?
Listen again.
What do you do with your friends?
My answer. I talk and laugh.
My answer. I go out and eat.
Repeat. I talk with my friends.
I eat with my friends.
Very good. Topic 10. Travel.
Let's move to travel.
Question. Do you like to travel? Listen again. Do you like to travel? My answer. Yes, I like to travel.
My answer. No, I don't travel much.
Repeat. I like to travel.
Nice.
Next question.
Where do you want to go?
Listen again.
Where do you want to go?
My answer. I want to go to the beach.
My answer. I want to go to a new city.
Repeat. I want to go to blank.
Say your place.
Good job. Next question.
How do you travel?
Listen again.
How do you travel?
My answer. I travel by bus.
My answer. I travel by train.
Repeat. I travel by bus.
I travel by train.
Perfect. Topic 11. Weather.
Let's talk about weather.
Question. How is the weather today? Listen again. How is the weather today? My answer. It is hot.
My answer. It is cold.
Repeat. It is hot.
It is cold.
Good. Next question.
Do you like rainy weather?
Listen again.
Do you like rainy weather?
My answer. Yes, I like rain.
My answer. No, I don't like rain.
Repeat. I like rain.
I don't like rain.
Great. One more.
What do you do when it rains?
Listen again.
What do you do when it rains?
My answer. I stay at home.
My answer. I drink tea and relax.
Repeat. I stay at home.
Nice.
Topic 12. Practice conversation.
Now let's do a longer conversation.
Listen carefully.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
What do you buy?
I buy fruits and milk.
Nice. Do you travel?
Yes, I travel sometimes.
Where do you go?
I go to a new city.
Great.
Now listen again.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
What do you buy?
I buy fruits and milk.
Do you travel?
Yes, I travel sometimes.
Where do you go?
I go to a new city.
Now you try. Speak with us.
You are improving step by step.
Wrap up. Great work today. Let's quickly review what we learned. We practiced questions like, what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do during the day? And we practiced answers like, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat a banana. I work and study. You listened You repeated and you spoke. That's real progress. Keep practicing every day. Even 10 minutes helps a lot. Before we go, here's a fun question for you. Tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you do in the morning and where do you want to travel? We would love to read your answers. Thanks for learning with us. See you in the next lesson. Bye.